Crystallization is a method that be done to get a pure crystal from saturated solutions.
Crystal is a solid that is made up from a group of atom, molecule, and ion that is arranged in orderly manner.
Okay, for this experiment, we are going to use a chemical substance which is acetanilide. We are going to find the pure acetanilide by extract the impure acetanilide by using the crystallization process. After that, we're going to prepare the apparatus and material. First apparatus is beaker, filter funnel, test tube and test tube holder, tongs, rod, weighing board, measuring cylinder, Bunchner funnel, electronic balance, hot plate, melting temperature measurement and spatula. The first material is distilled water, chemical substance acetanilide, filter paper, and ice cube. A little acetanilide, which is impure or original stock, was taken and the melting point was taken by using melting temperature measurement. Then 0.3 gram of acetanilide was weighed and put into beaker. After that, 20 cm cube of distilled water was added and heated until boiled by using the hot plate. If not dissolved, distilled water was added little by little until all the acetanilide is dissolved. The hot solution was filtered into the test tube by using the filter funnel and the filter paper. The solution was cooled until 10 minutes. After that, the solution was cooled into the beaker that contained ice. The crystal that formed was filtered with Bunchner funnel that is leafed with weighed filter paper. After that, the crystal was rinsed with cold water, which is distilled water, and was dried using electric pumper. Result from filtration was transferred to dry filter paper, which is weighed first, and result found was weighed. The melting point of the pure acetanilide was determined by melting temperature measurement.
acetanilide used at the beginning is impure, and it can be determined by the melting point, color, and weight of the acetanilide. When the acetanilide is impure, the melting point is higher than the pure one. The color of impure acetanilide is darker than pure, that is in white place.
Water is used as the solvent during heating process, and it is added little by little to dissolve the acetanilide. But if there is too much water added, the solution will become dilute, which make the crystal difficult to obtain. If the solution is saturated, it is easier to get the crystal.
We have to cool the hot solution in 10 minutes before putting the test tube into the ice to prevent supercooling process. Supercooling occurs when the liquid is cooled below is the freezing point without solidification or crystallization.
In final cooling because the crystals are completely crystallized.
During the first heating, the solution must filter in hot condition to remove the impurities. The hot solvent should be kept hot during the filtration, otherwise the compound will crystallize and or crystallize premature, and all crystals might be completely filtered along with the insoluble impurities.
At the end of the experiment, cold water should be used for rising. Hot water is not used because we might not get the crystal, as the hot water will dissolve the crystal.
The acetanilide is pure. It can be recognized through the color and weight. Pure acetanilide is white, small flash, and much lighter than the impure one.